Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. This storm was located near Red Bank, or 6 miles southwest of Sandy Hook, and moving east at 30 miles per hour. The severe thunderstorm will be near Highlands around 5:25 p.m., Long Branch and 6 miles north of Elbrin around 5:30 p.m. Strong winds may occur ahead of the rain. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Please report hail or strong winds to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-877-633-6772 when you can do so safely. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6 p.m. for the following county: Monmouth County, New Jersey.